skin disorders haunt the peace of life. And among them, eczema is one passive killer. In this video, we will learn about it in simple language, and find ways to get rid of eczema naturally. What is the main cause of eczema? Eczema is a common type of inflammation of dry, scaly skin. It is usually itchy and less likely painful. Eczema is a chronic, non-infectious skin condition that generally affects children. While growing up, children often get rid of the disease naturally. But this problem in adults is mostly harsh, and the flare-ups very much degrade the quality of life. The condition has different types, and so there are tons of symptoms. The commonly shared symptoms among all kinds of eczema are dry and scaly skin, itching and redness, skin rashes, etc. Eczema is a problem related to the outermost layer of the skin. The visible layer of skin covers the body and checks the entry of foreign particles such as bacteria and irritants, which can cause various ailments. But in the case of a person with eczema, this layer of skin cannot stand up for the body completely. It is because of the inflammatory, allergic response of the body. That leaves a patient kind of defenseless against microbes, which can further worsen the health of the patient. So, it makes eczema more bitter and deadly. How to naturally get rid of eczema? As already mentioned, it mostly affects children, and naturally goes away or becomes dormant. But sometimes it persists, remains active, and results in outbursts triggering itching, and sometimes blisters. Therefore, it is essential to check eczema in the first instance. There are different types of eczema which have various symptoms, and last for varying periods. Some of its varieties can last for weeks like neurodermatitis, while some are chronic like dyshidrotic dermatitis. But don't worry, we will talk about natural remedies that are effective in case of all and any eczema. Eczema is mainly because of dry, arid skin and inflammation. We will primarily focus on natural remedies that moisturize the skin, and have anti-inflammatory properties. We will also include treatments to get rid of eczema symptoms like skin rashes, itching, skin redness, etc. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is, without any doubt, a real moisturizer. It contains various saturated fatty acids, and has antimicrobial as well as anti-inflammatory properties. This natural remedy will heal leaking blisters, and relieve them from severe itching. We recommend you to apply coconut oil after bathing. Apply at bedtime to keep the skin moisturized for the night. Honey. Honey is well known for its ability to heal wounds. It also has useful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial capabilities. It is a must-use remedy as it boosts the immune system. Put on a little on the infected area, and honey will heal while also keeping it moisturized. The plus point is baby does not trigger an allergic reaction. Tea tree. Tea tree oil is also known to inhibit inflammation. It can significantly improve an eczema patient's skin condition as it cures dryness of the skin as well as itching. Having antibacterial capability, it can also prevent infections. To get rid of it naturally, dilute tea tree oil, preferably with olive oil, and apply at the affected site. Colloidal oatmeal. Colloidal oatmeal can prove sufficient to get rid of eczema naturally. Its lotion contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. That makes it potent to cure skin dryness, itch intensity, and roughness. But people allergic to oats must be cautious and avoid using this remedy. Relaxation methods. Eczema is, for unknown reasons, severely triggered by stress. Therefore, to relieve eczema, your body must alleviate itself. Acupressure is known to increase blood supply, and possibly reduce it from itching. Meditation is better than medication. Yoga can also help you. What else can we do in case of children? We know that children are the most commonly affected by this skin condition. Also, since it does not have a proper cure, we need to prevent it in children in the first place. To get rid of eczema naturally, the only key is maintaining proper hygiene. Baths. First thing first, timely baths are handy. Our aim is to keep the skin moist. That is precisely what regular showers do. But children do not need frequent showers. Around 3 times a week is considered suitable for children. Use gentle cleansers, and the bath should last for about 10 minutes. Protect them from the weather. Wrap children up in cold weather properly so that the cold air does not dry moisture of their skin. We all know that improper clothing during winter can cause various other complications in children. Also, we have to keep children away from massive heat sources as it can escalate the itching problem. Sweat can down the skin condition in children as it can cause itching and heat rashes. Use oils. We recommend applying herbal moisturizing oils and gels so that the skin condition of children does not deteriorate. You can use sunflower oil, evening primrose oil, aloe vera gel, etc. But be reminded to seek permission from a child specialist first. Avoid irritants. Children with eczema also need to stay away from irritants that can worsen the condition. These irritants include scented soaps, soaps with dyes, pollen, animal dander, etc. That will also help to get rid of it naturally. Avoid chemicals. We must use for babies alcohol-free wipes. Baby shampoo should also be tear-free and wilt for eczema children. Feed them properly. What foods are bad for eczema? Diet in children plays a vital role in preventing eczema. Certain foods are known for anti-inflammatory action. These include leafy vegetables, fruits, beans, fish, etc. These foods will also make sure that your baby grows even faster. Final words. In the case of adults, a bath a day will keep eczema away. For children, it requires proper caretaking. Even if a child becomes affected, appropriate remedies will cure. As far as adults are concerned, you should naturally try the said remedies and methods to get rid of this skin disease.